Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your ad campaigns with Facebook. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Facebook Ads Manager. Navigate to the campaign you want to scale. Select the campaign and then click on the Ad Sets tab. Analyze the performance metrics of your current ad sets. Identify which ad sets are performing well based on your defined goals. Consider metrics such as conversion rate, return on ad spend, and cost per acquisition. Next, adjust your budget for the high-performing ad sets. You can increase the daily or lifetime budget according to your scaling strategy. Be cautious not to increase the budget too drastically. A 20 to 30% increase is often recommended to maintain performance stability. Once the budget is adjusted, monitor the performance closely for at least a few days. Check for any signs of ad fatigue or diminishing returns. If you notice drops in performance, consider creating new ad creatives. Experiment with different images, videos, and messaging to renew engagement. In addition to budget adjustments, test audience expansion methods. You can create lookalike audiences based on your best customers. Or, you can broaden your existing audience targeting parameters. Always keep an eye on the frequency metric to avoid overexposure. If frequency numbers increase, it may be time to refresh your creatives. Consider adding new ad placements. Explore options such as Instagram or the Audience Network to reach more users. Using automatic placements can maximize your reach across various placements. Regularly review your campaign's performance analytics. Look for trends in engagement and conversions to inform future adjustments. Don't hesitate to experiment with different bidding strategies. Switching from automatic to manual bidding can give you more control. As your ads scale, keep testing and optimizing for better performance. This ongoing process is crucial for maximizing your advertising efforts on Facebook. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.